Hello everyone, it's Q again. Today we got a BMW 5 Series 2004 to 2009 5 Series wagon with BMW CCC system. So let's have a look. So that's the one, BMW CCC. We installed Apple Carplay interface. So it will have all the modern features with apps on. First we need to put the sound output source under the audio, and then we press media, long press media for 3 seconds. Then we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto interface. So we have the cable here. Just gonna connect through my iPhone. That's it. Old screen, but it is crystal clear. Very nice. Apple CarPlay interface for BMW CCC system. See, more than almost a 15 years old screen. Now with the Apple CarPlay on tour, you will have Google Map, telephone, Siri, obviously any other functions, but can use the control scroll. See here, Spotify, pretty much all the features can use and display on the screen. Beautifully done.